Hello everyone, welcome to this joyous ride of computing. In this course, we promise you to make your every experience joyous. On a similar note, let us talk about the discussion forums. Here, we will not be using Google Groups discussion forums. We have designed our very own portal for this course. Yes, our very own portal. A portal named GeoCWiki. This is basically a wiki portal. As you all know, Wikipedia runs on the technology of crowdsourcing. Similarly, our wiki portal will also run on the similar concept. Here the crowd is you, all of you. In Wikipedia, anybody can come and create their own articles or even edit them. Similarly, you can come here and write your own articles based on the concepts explained in the course. Or you can also edit other people's articles. Not only this, we have also integrated our discussion forum to this wiki portal. On the discussion forums, you can post your queries or answer even other people's queries. I hope this portal will assist you in many different ways. So now let us go through the interface of this portal. As you all know, here we have the highlights of the course. Here we have three major links. First link is about the course. It will basically tell you about the instructor and TAs of the course. Next is the super notes. Yes, the super notes are basically the notes based on the concepts explained in the course. And next is the FAQs. We will design frequently asked questions based on the questions asked by you in the discussion forums.